Moses went to the mountain. When I die and lay me to rest, gonna go to the place that's the best. And when they lay me down to die, going up to the spirit in the sky, going up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. And when I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Prepare yourself, you know it's a must. You gotta have a friend in Jesus. So you know that when you die, it's gonna direct me to the spirit in the sky. Direct me to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. And when I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Never been a sin and I've never sinned, 'cause I got a friend in Jesus. So you know that when I die, He's gonna set me up with the spirit in the sky. Oh, set me up with the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. And when I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best. Prop me up beside the jukebox if I die.